Some everyday foods could seriously harm your dog. Let's find out which ones you should never feed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more dog care tips. Let's get started. Chocolate. Chocolate contains theobromine and caffeine, two substances that dogs can't process efficiently. Even small amounts can cause vomiting, restlessness, a rapid heartbeat, tremors, seizures, and in severe cases, death. Dark chocolate and baking chocolate contain much higher levels of these toxins than milk chocolate, making them especially dangerous. Verdict: never feed. Grapes and raisins. Grapes and raisins are among the most dangerous fruits a dog can eat because they may trigger sudden kidney failure without warning. The toxic reaction varies from dog to dog, so there's no known safe amount. If your dog accidentally eats grapes or raisins, seek veterinary care immediately, even if they appear completely normal. Verdict: never feed. Onions. Onions contain compounds that damage a dog's red blood cells, reducing their ability to carry oxygen throughout the body. Raw, cooked, dried, or powdered onions are all unsafe, and repeated small amounts can be just as harmful as a large serving. Watch for signs like weakness, pale gums, tiredness, or trouble breathing after exposure. Verdict: never feed. Garlic. Garlic belongs to the same plant family as onions, but is even more concentrated, making it especially harmful to dogs. It can gradually damage red blood cells and lead to anemia, even if only small amounts are eaten over time. Garlic powder, seasoning blends, and cooked dishes containing garlic should also be kept out of your dog's reach. Verdict: never feed. Xylitol, sugar-free products. Xylitol is an artificial sweetener found in sugar-free gum, candy, peanut butter, baked goods, and some dental products that can be extremely toxic to dogs. It can cause a sudden drop in blood sugar within minutes and, in severe cases, lead to liver failure. Always check ingredient labels and treat accidental ingestion as a medical emergency. Verdict: never feed. Coffee and caffeine. Coffee, tea, energy drinks, and other caffeinated products can overstimulate your dog's nervous system and heart, making them extremely dangerous. Even a small amount may cause hyperactivity, rapid breathing, an abnormal heartbeat, muscle tremors, or seizures. Keep drinks, coffee grounds, and caffeine-containing supplements safely out of your dog's reach. Verdict: never feed. Alcohol. Alcohol affects dogs much faster than humans because their bodies cannot process it efficiently. Even a few sips of beer, wine, or liquor can lead to vomiting, loss of coordination, difficulty breathing, dangerously low body temperature, and even coma. Alcohol-containing foods and unbaked desserts made with alcohol are just as risky. Verdict: never feed. Avocados. Avocados contain persin, a natural compound that may cause digestive upset in some dogs, especially if large amounts are eaten. The biggest danger is the large pit, which can become lodged in the throat or intestines and may require emergency surgery. Only a veterinarian should evaluate suspected pit ingestion. Verdict: never feed. Macadamia nuts. Macadamia nuts can cause a sudden toxic reaction in dogs, although the exact cause is still unknown. Within hours, affected dogs may develop weakness, trembling, vomiting, joint pain, or difficulty walking, even after eating only a small amount. Foods like cookies or trail mixes containing macadamia nuts can be just as dangerous. Verdict: never feed. Raw bread dough. Raw bread dough continues to rise inside a dog's stomach, creating dangerous pressure as it expands. At the same time, fermenting yeast produces alcohol, which can lead to alcohol poisoning and make the situation even more serious. A swollen abdomen, repeated vomiting, or extreme lethargy requires immediate veterinary attention. Verdict: never feed. Cooked bones. Cooked bones become brittle and can easily splinter when a dog chews them. These sharp fragments may choke your dog or tear the mouth, throat, stomach, or intestines, leading to life-threatening internal injuries. Chicken, pork, and rib bones are especially risky no matter how small they seem. Verdict: never feed. Blue cheese. Certain blue cheeses can contain Roquefortine C, a toxin produced by mold that is especially dangerous for dogs. If enough is consumed, it may trigger muscle tremors, high fever, seizures, and other serious neurological symptoms. The stronger and more heavily molded the cheese, the greater the potential risk. Verdict: never feed. Fat trimmings. Fat trimmings may look like a tasty reward, but they can overload your dog's digestive system with excessive fat. Eating too much can trigger pancreatitis, a painful condition that often causes severe vomiting, abdominal pain, loss of appetite, and extreme lethargy. Greasy leftovers from the table are never a safe choice for dogs. Verdict: never feed. Raw eggs and raw meat. Raw eggs and raw meat can carry harmful bacteria such as Salmonella and E. coli, increasing the risk of serious foodborne illness in dogs. Raw eggs also contain avidin, a protein that can interfere with biotin absorption if fed regularly over time. Cooking these foods thoroughly is the safest option. Verdict: never feed raw. Moldy foods. Food covered with mold can contain powerful toxins that are invisible to the eye but extremely dangerous for dogs. Eating moldy bread, fruit, cheese, or leftovers may cause vomiting, muscle tremors, seizures, and, in severe cases, life-threatening complications. Always throw away spoiled food and keep trash bins securely out of your dog's reach. Verdict: never feed. Hops. Hops, the flours used to brew beer, are extremely toxic to dogs, even in surprisingly small amounts. Exposure can cause a rapid rise in body temperature, heavy panting, a racing heartbeat, seizures, and can become life-threatening without immediate treatment. Keep fresh hops, dried hops, and home brewing supplies well out of your dog's reach. Verdict: never feed. Vitamin gummies. Vitamin gummies may look like harmless treats, but many are made with ingredients that can be dangerous for dogs, including xylitol or high levels of vitamin D and iron. Swallowing several gummies at once can lead to serious poisoning and may require urgent veterinary care. Store all vitamins in secure containers and never leave them within your dog's reach. Verdict: never feed. Thanks for watching. Like this video and subscribe for more dog care tips. See you in the next one.